So welcome to part one of Kingman area parks. In this video, I am going to share with you just a few of the local neighborhood parks that are available to everyone here in Kingman. So let's get started. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Living in Kingman. On this channel, I talk about things that you need to know about living here and what you may need to know about buying or selling real estate. Go ahead right now and subscribe and hit the bell so you are reminded every time I have a new video. Be sure to watch to the very end because I will include any of the bloopers that I make while making this video for you today. Well, I counted 16 parks in and around the Kingman area, and I am going to share a few of those with you today. There are also 2 community pools here. Now, the Parks and Recreation Department are in charge of managing these parks, and I will put their information in the comments below so that you can contact them for more information. And if you're wanting to reserve or, just any information that you might need, I'll put that information below. The first park that I'm going to share with you today is called the Cecil Davis Park and Splash Pad. Now this is located at 601 Van Buren and Southern. There are picnic shelter areas, grills, playground, multi-purpose grass areas, restrooms. There's benches, ball fields, basketball court, and a splash pad. The next park is Centennial Park, and this park is so big, located on Harrison and Beverly. This park has 3 horseshoe pits, 2 basketball courts, soccer fields, 4 tennis courts, 2 racquetball courts, 7 softball fields, volleyball, running trails, outdoor picnic shelter areas, tables, grills, 2 playgrounds, restrooms, and a 50-meter swimming pool with a water slide. Hey, what do you think of this video so far? Go ahead right now, give me a thumbs up if you feel that this video has good content. Next is the Firefighters Memorial Park, and this is located at 2201 Detroit and Fairgrounds Avenue. There are picnic shelter areas and grills, playgrounds, frisbee golf, soccer fields, a skate park, and it has restrooms. The second pool is called Grandview Pools, and this is located on Grandview and 324 Gold Street. And this is a 25-meter swimming pool, wading pool, a mini slide, and it has restrooms. There's also Hub's Neighborhood Park. Now this is a super cute little park. It is located at 421 Golconda and 4th. It has picnic areas, grills, playgrounds, a basketball court, a horseshoe pit, picnic areas, and a bathroom. And it is down in the historic Hub's home. Lewis Kingman Park is one of the more favorite or more used parks in the area, and it is located on 2201 Andy Devine Avenue. It has picnic areas, grills, multi-purpose fields. It also has a large and small dog park. There's Locomotive Park, and this is located at 310 West Beale and First Street. And when you get there, you are going to know why they call it Locomotive Park. It displays a historical steam engine and caboose. Well, that was part one of the Kingman area parks. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope that you think of me the next time you're considering buying or selling real estate right here in Kingman. My name is Carol Darrow. I am a realtor with the ACE Home Team with Destination Havasu. Real quick before you go, I wanted to give a huge shout out and thank you to Cherish Sammeli with Pioneer Title, who helped me kind of find and create and went with me when I took pictures of all of these awesome parks. So thank you, Cherish. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you guys next week. The Parks and Recreation, I can't say that. Now, the Parks and Recreation Department manages, oh my gosh.